So I've now been joined by Sam Dawson of Belfor.
Hello.
Sam, thanks for taking some time to talk to us.
Thanks for coming to talk to us.
Always our pleasure. So you were telling me this is your first time back for 10 years and you're back as a preferred partner with
That's
AMIC.
right, yeah.
Why back? Why now?
Well, we've been in and out of the AMIC fold for a while, I think. I went to the conference in Birmingham last year and I was really impressed by the membership, who the delegates were, who was involved. I was particularly impressed by the workshops, got a lot out of it, and the type of delegates who are attending, or the insurer partners, loss adjuster partners, brokers, it's all the clients who we're working with, so it just seemed like a logical and natural fit for us to join and be part of it. I think we offer something a little bit different as well. I think we're the only business offering our type services as part of AMIC, so again that was quite a nice attraction for us.
And for those that might not know Belfor, I know that will be very hard to believe, but those services being what?
Go ahead. So a global disaster recovery company. So restoration, recovery. We are typically the guys who will go in when the fire brigade have left, or when the floodwaters have subsided, or whoever's managed to fix the escape of water leak. And generally we provide solutions to help customers get back to normal again and manage the damage, and yeah, that's where we fit in. So a lot of what we do is working directly within the insurance market for insurer clients, working with loss adjusters, working with brokers, and then we provide services direct to global organisations as well.
So I was intrigued, you've got this, have you met a black swan? What's this?
I'd like to take credit for the marketing concept, but it's my colleagues in Germany who came up with the idea. So black swan in risk terminology is those unexpected events, major fires, major floods, could even be a cyber attack. Unfortunately we can't help them with that just yet. And these are things that are on the radar, they exist. Historically linked to the thought that black swans didn't exist, but they actually do. If you live in Perth, Australia, you would know. And there's a whole risk management theory around black swans, and the concept being we turn black swans into white swans. So taking that damage away and taking that pain away.
Disaster back to normality.
So yeah, our stand will change from a black swan to a white swan later on in the show.
I should look forward to that.
Yeah.
Sam, thank you ever so much for taking time
Cheers.
to talk to us. Appreciate that.
Much
and again, I think on behalf of AMIC, I think welcome back to the fold.
Thank you. Yeah. Great. Cheers.
Great. Thank you.